This is basically a touring seat from the Royal Enfield accessories. It is meant to carry extra fuel. What? No. What did you do? You licked the camera. Dirty fellow. Dirty fellow. Welcome back and thank you for tuning in. This here is Max. He is not letting me start my work. So he's playing around. This room is kind of a mess, as you see. Max! Out! See, that's what he's been doing. And yes, so let's get back to the video. Let him play. During my last ride, I had some discomfort during the ride to Kuli Hills, so I decided to replace this seat and the shock absorbers in the rear. So this is just going to be another DIY video for you guys. Let's get going. The first thing is here. These are two new rear shock absorbers for the Bullet 500. Why I'm replacing this is because there's an oil leak in this canister. You can't see the oil leak, but there is some leak happening here and this thing is loose and all that. So it's bottoming out at times when I have the luggage loaded or when two people are traveling. That's the reason. So I got some nuts and bolts, fresh ones for replacing. That is one. This is going to be this. So you see this? This is the new, I don't see, yeah, here. A new low ride touring wala. Supposed to be printed somewhere. This is basically a touring seat from the Royal Enfield accessories. I paid 4,000 rupees I think for this. What else? I didn't get this from the showroom, but I found it at my friend's shop here in Tipsandra. You would have seen the earlier video where I got the carrier at the same place. So I placed an order with him and he got the product for me. And so as you saw in the time lapse, we got the rear mudguard, the seat off, and this is how it looks. Why I had to remove that is because I had to unscrew this bolt here. I will have to remove this handle. So now it's go ahead and remove the shock absorber. I'll do it one by one. I'll remove one on the right, fix the new one, and then go to the left. We got the new shock absorbers fixed with new nuts and bolts. I'll show you. Okay, brand new nuts and bolts and the new shock absorber. I haven't adjusted the load setting here. It is adjustable, but where it comes from the box, you can use it the same way. Next, what we're going to do is we will mount this rear tire and the front and take it to a shop where we can get this align straight because there is some bend in it, having some wobbling issues with the tires. We'll go get the rims straightened. At first we need to make some space, park the motorcycle in place so it's not disturbed, and I need to find some support so that it doesn't fall off. I think I had a small I'll have to put the rear tire so I can lift the front and remove the tire, because the lifting won't come. Let's put the tire back temporarily. I'll just put the rod in it, leave it and remove the front and then the rear. I think that should be the right thing to do. So I don't have the stand. As you've seen, full jugaad. Big paint bucket over the forks, just in case. I place this under the crash bar. The stand is on 2 stones always. Remove the tires, and for precaution, that's the condition. I'll need to go take these 2 tires, get them balanced and come and fix them back.
bearing ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಬಿಲ್ ಬೇರಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಬಿಲ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಇದೆ.
So I'm back. Both the rims are straightened, but they're not completely straight. He told me that there is some major hit at one of the points in the front. Turn the lights on. Now, 1 second. Yes, switch the lights on here. Okay. So now it's time to put everything back in place and ride the bike. I just realized that before I start fixing the tires, I'll get that boxes cleaned from the behind. I'll show you what I'm talking about. See all this dirt? Yeah. We'll clean that first. Now I think it looks much better. See? I don't get to clean this part of the motorcycle quite often, so there are times like these when I need to utilize that. I just aligned the mudguard and realized I wasn't recording, so I stopped, started recording 3 people, and here I am. I haven't tightened the bolts. Here it is. Okay, it's all still loose. I just applied some WD to everything, and someone's calling. Yeah, it's our good old friend Mr. Santosh. Hello. 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 So done with the call with Santosh. Let's hurry. Being mosquito bites everywhere. It will become an issue. What was I have to do? Yeah, I was centering the mudguard. That was what was I have to do. After that, seats and the front wheel, for some reason, no, it's not free after I fixed it. So I'll have to remove it and do it again. That is also there. So that's fixed. Or clean. Now we want to fix our fuel carrier. Basically, this used to be a luggage carrier, but for me, this is meant to carry extra fuel. So we'll do this. And in the last, we'll fix the seat. We'll keep the best for the last. one step closer to finishing today's DIY video. We got the carrier also fixed. See? The carrier is fixed, the mudguard's fixed. Let's get the seat and fix that now. Before we fix the seat, we need to mount this handle. This is basically the touring seat from Royal Enfield. Let's see how comfortable this is going to be on our next ride. So I think I've showed you pretty much everything that I did today. It's just that I need to redo that front wheel. I think the speedometer worm isn't in place. So thank you for watching this. Until the next one, take care and stay safe.